Ever wondered how KFC makes millions of crispy chicken pieces every day? Let's go inside the factory and find out. The flock is looking healthy this morning.
Verified on the tablet, everything checks out.
Each flock is carefully monitored to ensure consistent health and quality before processing. The birds are transported using carefully controlled logistics designed to maintain quality throughout the journey. Temperature-controlled transportation helps preserve product quality from farm to processing. The journey continues inside a modern processing facility, where every stage follows strict quality and food safety standards. Every shipment is inspected to meet strict food safety and quality standards before processing. Automated cleaning systems prepare every batch for the next stage of production.